I'm Holly. I am married. I have 2 kids in 1st and 2nd grade. And I've been a part of Phoenix Seminary for about a year now with their online program, and I absolutely love it. You know, my heart for ministry is to encourage others to be excited about evangelism and discipleship. Currently, I work on a college campus. I train them how to share their faith on a college campus. I write books to help people learn how to share their faith and disciple others. And then I love to go speak at conferences and just encourage people to care about the Great Commission. You know, if somebody's already in ministry, they might be thinking, well, why do I need seminary? I'm already full-time in vocational ministry. But for me, this is a game changer. It is so important for us to have right, solid theology. We need to know what the Bible says and why it says it and how to apply it to our life. And seminary helps us do that, not just intellectually, but practically. And it helps us learn how to teach others. The questions that maybe you couldn't answer, maybe the topics that you wouldn't naturally go and study on your own, but when you're in seminary and you need to, you actually begin to appreciate them and want to learn more about them, and you actually have real knowledge you can then bring to others. When I heard that Phoenix Seminary is where Wayne Grudem teaches, I knew that was where I wanted to go. What I didn't know is how wonderful the online training would be for me and my family and my ministry. One thing I appreciate is the actual quality of the lectures, how engaging these videos are, how professional they are, and how I'm able to follow along. When I sit at my desk, I'm immediately immersed in what the lecturers have to say. I feel like I get to know that professor. They're very personable and they help us feel like we can really connect with them. They're great storytellers, and so you feel like the Bible comes to life or the different church history characters come to life. Even though I may not be personally face-to-face, I can enter in to the Bible, to church history, to other professors and who they are, and feel like I'm really learning from them. I don't need to rush to campus. I don't even need to rush to the library. I could do all my research from home. I could do the lectures whenever I need to. Whether you're a morning person or a night person, it doesn't have to interrupt my family time. My children pretty much don't even know I'm in seminary because I take them to school, I do seminary, I pick them up after school, and we're together as a family the entire evening. Honestly, without Phoenix Seminary online program, I don't think I would be getting my master's degree. I wouldn't have the time to drive to a campus and flexibility I need to care for my family at the life stage that my children are in. But because I'm online, I get to do both. And to me, that is what's important.